How to upload original quality photos on Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now click on the profile which is present at the right top corner. Now scroll this bar. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on Google Photos setting. Click on the backup. Now scroll this bar and you can see here backup quality, how we can upload original photo qualities. You can see original quality, you have to select here. In this way you can upload your original quality photos on Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.